Hello YouTube, just thought I'd share another project that we've been doing in the craft group. This was set by another admin of the craft group that we run, and I think it's called a squash card. I think there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube, and I'll link the one below that we used as a guide in the group. So as you could see, I made a belly band for it, and I've shadow stamped on the belly band. I've used decorative paper and then stuck "You're the best" as my sentiment, and then you open it up like that. Just so you can see it. There you go. So you open it up like that. And it's got paper there, butterfly. I've shadow stamped on there again, and I've put the sentiment on there. So it's quite a nice project really to do. So you fold it up, but you've got to be careful with these, because whatever you've stuck on there, you've got to make sure that it's folded so it doesn't get squashed. If you can see how it's folded down like that. So yeah, this is a squash card. It can be made out of an A4 piece of paper for the UK version. Save cutting into a 12 by 12 sheet. It's just it works out slightly smaller. Instead of the card being made up at 4.5 inches, it'll be 4.25 inches if you do it with the A4 paper, because of the width of the A4. But yeah, that's the card. It was quite fun to make. Like I say, I will link a tutorial on an envelope that I made to go with it. There we go. Thank you. Bye.